Find the derivative of the function given by fx is equal to sin x square. So solution here. So difference we have fx is equal to sin x square. So differentiating with respect to x. If y, then dy by dx, otherwise f dash x. So dy by dx is equal to f dash x. So first of all, you have to differentiate the sine function. First of all, you have to differentiate the sine function. We know that differentiation of sine is cos. So here become cos, and suppose this one is z. X square is z. X square is z. So become here cos x square. Then after differentiate the z. Differentiation of z means x square. Then after differentiate x square. So here become cos x square into differentiation of x square is 2x. Use the formula. Differentiation of x raised to the power n is equal to n into x raised to the power n minus 1. So this one becomes 2x cos x square. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to differentiate the sine function. And suppose this one is z. So sine z. So differentiation of sine z is cos z. Then after differentiation of z, x square. So become cos x square. Differentiation of x square, here n is 2. So 2x 2 minus 1. So here become 2x. So we can write 2x cos x square. Find the derivatives of the function given by fx is equal to 10 in bracket 2x plus 3. So see here, we have fx is equal to 10 2x plus 3. So differentiating with respect to x, if y, then here fx, here 10 2x plus 3. We have to differentiate. So become dy by dx is equal to f dash x. Suppose 2x plus 3 is z. This one is z. So differentiation of 10 z is sec square z. Sec square z. What is z? Z is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Now differentiation of z. So differentiation of z means 2x plus 3. Here 2x plus 3. So differentiation of 2x plus 3. Now see here become sec square 2x plus 3. Now differentiation of 2x, just like differentiation of cx, differentiation of cx is c. Similarly, differentiation of 2x is 2 into 2, and differentiation of constant term is 0. So here become 2 plus 0. It means 2 sec square 2x plus 3. This is the dy by dx you can write, or f dash x write. So dy by dx is equal to this. This one also known as f dash x or y dash x or y1. So all are same. y1, y dash x, f dash x and dy by dx all are same. So here differentiate sine in bracket cos x square with respect to x. The solution here, we have fx is equal to sine bracket cos x square. So see here differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So become here f dash x or dy by dx equal to, so see here, first you have to differentiate sine function, and this one, suppose this one is z, this one is z. So differentiation of sine is cos, so cos z. So write down here cos, what is z? Z is the bracket, inside the bracket cos x square. Now differentiate this, okay, here this is z. Now differentiate cos x square. Now here first differentiate now cos x. So differentiation of cos is minus sine. So here become cos x square. Now differentiation of cos is minus sine. So here become minus sine x square. So suppose this one is u or t. So this one is t. So now differentiate the part of t. So differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square. First we have to differentiate sin x. So sin x differentiation is cos, and this one is as it is. Now differentiation of this is z. So this part. So differentiation of cos is minus sine, and x square is as it is. Now differentiation of x square. So this one becomes cos, in bracket cos x square into minus sine x square into differentiation of x square is 2x. So this one become minus, now multiply, minus 2x sine x square into cos x square. This is your dy by dx or f dash x. Now we have to solve y is equal to sec tan root x, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. So first of all, we have to differentiate sec x, and this one suppose z. This one suppose z. So differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx, differentiation of sec is sec x into tan x. Here differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. So here becomes sec, so tan root x, sec, suppose this one is z, so differentiation of sec x is sec x into tan x, so differentiation of sec z is tan z, sec z is sec, here z into tan z. What is z? Z is tan root x. Now then after you have to differentiate the z. Then after you have to differentiate the z. So differentiation of z. So differentiation of z is here tan root x. This one you have to differentiate. Here x. So now you have to differentiate the z. So sec z into tan z, then after differentiation of z. So dy by dx is equal to sec tan root x into tan root x. Now, the first you have to differentiate tan, this tan. So differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So here becomes sec square x. or z or t, whatever you assume. Here t, so becomes sec square t, that is t. Now differentiation of t, differentiation of t, t means root x, differentiation of root x. So dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to sec tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x into 1 by 2 root x. So this is the answer. So what I did, I first of all differentiate sec. The differentiation of sec is sec z is sec z into tan z. Then after differentiation of z, sec z into tan z, then after differentiation of z, so differentiation of here tan, differentiation of tan is sec square, here root x, suppose t, tan t, sec square t, then after differentiation of t. So this one is as it is here. So differentiation of t is 1 by 2 root x. So answer is dy by dx 1 by 2 root x into sec square root x into sec tan root x into tan root x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. So fx is equal to cos x cube, cos x cube. So this one is suppose u, this one is u, and this one is v. This one is v. You know that equal to y. So dy by dx, this is the formula, dy by dx is equal to product formula u into v. Suppose v is constant, differentiation of u du by dx, plus now u constant, differentiation of v dv by dx. So see here, here differentiating u, here v is constant, differentiation of u. Now u constant, differentiation of v, differentiation of v, here u is constant. So write down here dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to, what is v? V is sine square x raised to the power 5, differentiation of u. What is your u? U is your cos x cube. So write here cos x cube plus u. What is u? Cos x cube. So now write down cos x cube, cos x cube. So differentiation of here v. What is your v? V is sine square. So sine square x raised to the power 5. We can write like this, sine x raised to the power 5 whole square. Sine square here. So square sine x raised to the power 5 whole square we can write. Here sine x, sine square x, we can write sine x whole square. So now we are going to differentiate. So dy by dx, this one will be as it is. So see here sine square x raised to the power 5 into, see here differentiation of cos. So differentiation of cos is minus sine. So minus sine and x cube will be as it is. x cube will be as it is. Then after differentiation of, here suppose this is z, so differentiation of cos z is minus sin z. Then after differentiation of z, z is your x cube, z is your x cube, plus here cos x cube. So now differentiation of sine, suppose here first of all power, we have to differentiate the power. Suppose this is z, complete one is z. So differentiation of z square, complete one is z. Differentiation of z square is 2z. So 2, what is z? Z is your sine x raised to the power 5 into differentiation of z. Differentiation of z, now z is your sine x raised to the power 5. Sine x raised to the power 5. Now dy by dx is equal to sine square x raised to the power 5. Here minus sign, so put here minus sine x cube, and differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Here 2 sine, here plus sign, so plus write down 2 sine x raised to the power 5 cos x cube. Now differentiate first of all sine. Differentiate sine. So differentiation of sine is minus cos x raised to the power 5 minus cos x raised to the power 5. Then after differentiation of x raised to the power 5. Then after differentiation of x raised to the power 5. So you will get here, so you will get dy by dx equal to, dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 3x square, 3x square multiply minus 3x square sine x cube sine square x raised to the power 5. Here become x raised to the power 5, differentiation 5 x raised to the power 4. So here write 2 sine x raised to the power 5 into cos x cube, here minus cos x raised to the power 5 into 5 x raised to the power 4. So this one become dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square sine x cube sine square x raised to the power 5. Here minus 5 into 2 minus 10 x raised to the power 4 sine x raised to the power 5 cos x cube into cos x raised to the power 5. So this is your answer. There is a mistake here because differentiation of sine is cos, not negative. So here will be positive, cos x raised to the power 5. So here will be positive because differentiation of sine is cos, not negative. So here positive, so here become positive. So this is the required answer, dy by dx minus 3x square sine x cube sine square x raised to the power 5 plus 10x raised to the power 4 sine x raised to the power 5 cos x cube, and here cos x raised to the power 5. This is the required answer.